everybody. Welcome to another episode of Donnie's Cooking Show. Last cooking episodes were a success. So now we're gonna keep up the success. Today we're gonna be making a special Asian dish, which is formulated by Hypothesis Michael Jordan, fried rice. So what we're gonna need is a two-molded steamer with a T-bone and chicken T-bone steamer. You'll also be needing a stirrer to stir up the turkey meat and chicken. You'll also be needing some Play-Doh to make the creations, and you will also be needing a plate to serve your dish on. We'll use the lid of the Play-Doh container to serve the fried rice on. So let's get started. So what we're gonna start